everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products on my TikTok feed, and now YouTube. Thank you for those who voted. And all of you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video, and yeah. That's it, let's get into the products. First product up is the Balm Instain Swiss Dot. Ooh, these are so cute. They are great for your purse. They got a little mirror. Look at this, look at this. Ooh, pretty neat, huh? So this one, the Swiss Dot, it is sold out at thebalm.com. You can find it on Amazon, but it's through another seller. Not Amazon. The products of the Balm are also sold at Forever 21, but they don't have the blushes. So I'll tell you about this one, but at the Balm they do have other colors. So have no fear. They still have blushes. They just have other choices rather than Swiss Dot. Price of those blushes are $22, and it should last you around 12 months. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and even talc-free.
Wonderful.
Swiss Dot is a long-wearing cheek stain powder blush. And it is great for all year round. Doesn't matter what season it is. Just put it on your cheeks and you look lovely. Also great for all skin types. Wonderful.
So much blush.
It is wonderful for that soft, pretty pop of color on your cheek. Pop, pop.
Yeah. I like that.
It has mica, magnesium stearate, silica, and retinopalmitate. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate. We have the product here. Then we have this cute little brush right here. Nice and fluffy. Perfect for the cheeks. Good size. You don't need a big one like this. It's too big. This is good. They mentioned that you want to grab your brush and go ahead and swirl it on there. Now for me, if you're afraid there's going to be too much color here on the cheeks in the front, I like to start from the back and go this way, like this, downwards. But for the Balm, they mentioned that they want you to go upwards. So, if you're ever afraid to put color right here on the apples of the cheeks and it's a lot of color, go ahead and put it on your arm first. It'll take some extra color off right away, and then you go ahead and then go upwards like that. You can smile if you want. I don't smile because I'm too scared that, like, you know, you smile, the color's up here, then you don't smile, and then the color's down here. Just try to remain like neutral, I guess you could say.
Calm.
Blend, blend, blend upwards. Yes. Okay. Also, that helps is to do little circular motions. It helps a lot to blend very nicely. And if you want, you can also add a little bit on your nose. Make yourself look a little bit like Rudolph. You don't have to, of course. It's all you do you, your choice. Okay, and that's all. That's how you are applying this blush. Wonderful. Next one up is Kaja Beauty, number 3, Bossy Cheeky Stamp. Ooh la la. This is 0.17 ounces and can be found, of course, at kajabeauty.com and as well as Sephora. Possibly even Amazon, but again, not sold by Amazon. Price of it is $27 and the expiration is 12 months. It is considered clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and last, gluten-free. The formula for this blush is very soft and cushiony. It is a crush-worthy flush color. Wonderful. The applicator in here is a heart-shaped. Look at that. Ooh. And it should blend out to a sheer buildable color. You gotta be careful with these. Little bit goes a long way. Just I'll show you in the demonstration though. It has cetyl ethyl hexanate, butylene glycol, mica, silica, and even fragrance and perfume. In a blush? Interesting. Let's see. I don't really smell anything, so I'm guessing it's very light. And just FYI, way on the bottom of the ingredient list is aluminum hydroxide. Okay, now we're going to do this side of the cheek. Here we go. They mentioned that I just slapped myself. Okay. They just mentioned that you could wear this with or without makeup, meaning all the foundation, everything else. You could just put it right on top of your face, kind of like what I did with this blush over here. Some people just wear blushes, some people just wear eyeshadows. Usually I just like to do eyeliner. Makeup's interesting. Anything goes, whatever makes you feel good. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna twist. Ooh, then it pops up like this. See? Then on the bottom here, it opens up this way. There's your color. Just like a stamp, you want to go ahead, stamp it like that. Now, if you want your color to be natural, go ahead, stamp it one time on you. Is it good? Can you see it? Is it good? And then go ahead and just, with your fingers, pat it on where you would like it. Maybe just here on the apples, maybe up here, super 80s, anywhere you like it. Of course, if you want more color, you could build it up. Go ahead and stamp it again. Go crazy. Maybe I'll put a little bit right here. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna use these fingers.
Fingernails look blue in this lighting. Probably from the hair color. I don't see it in person though.
And then just go ahead and blend it out with your fingertips. Of course, you don't have to just use your fingertips. That's just what they recommend. And there you go. That would be it. You're looking lovely. All right, that's it. Now we're going to go to the results, just like that. Here we go. Oh, that's a funny sound. So today, no TikTok. I did post it, but I forgot to add a sound to it. So I believe this is what happened, but my posting reached a lot of people that it usually does. Wah wah. Messed that one up. So I didn't get any votes, but here on YouTube, we got some votes. Don't you worry. And the verdict. Here we go. Boom! Wow. The Balm 17% and Kaja 83%. Woohoo! Kaja seems to be a lot of people's favorite blush at the moment. The Balm, sorry. I do have to say they are good. Very good. Not that big of a brand though. They are slowly disappearing out of stores as well. They were in that store Forever 21 had. Rosie something. They were in there for a while and then that store closed down. So now you mostly could just get them online. But Kaja, of course, is at Sephora. Big time place. So yes, many people did have a chance to try Kaja. Let me know. I'm trying to open this. Let me know if you tried this color before or another color of Kaja's blushes. Also, let me know why you voted for Kaja as well over the Balm. Or if you voted for the Balm, let me know why you vote for the Balm in my comments below. And I will feature you in next week's video. Yeah. Last week we talked about Dove body soap and we have no features under that video. But I did get a comment under the polls, which was interesting. Jacqueline did mention that she loved the moisture one. Thank you for commenting. Just remember, comment under the videos. I forget about the polls sometimes, just in case if I don't see you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're done. All right. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye. I also just wanted to show you guys my new shirt. Went to the Motley Crue concert. Here it is. Boom. We've got Motley Crue here. This is all the bands who performed there. Motley Crue. Got Def Leppard right there. Poison. And then, move the speaker. You got Joan Jett on a, you have Joan Jett on the bottom here. Right there. So those were pretty awesome. It was really fun. I'll share details on a live coming up soon. By the way, usually I like to do my lives on Friday. I try to do them around 8 o'clock. If I can't though, then I try to do them Saturday. I haven't been able to do them in like the past 2 weeks. Well, the concert was on Saturday, so I had to do the concert, right? So when my schedule allows me to go live, I will go live. And yeah, hope to see you there, right? Yeah. Okay, bye.